There's one piece broken free. It was folded up on this one, so I had to cut all these tubes loose. So I gotta figure out the next one to do. The second one. This has turned into a disaster, but it's the only way I could see that this is gonna happen. Everything has to come apart. This is kind of an interesting view. I'm inside of this thing that rolled over itself, cutting all these off so that I can move the wire mesh and the tubes don't get any further damaged. This is pretty sweet. This is what I wanted to be doing on a Thursday. The third one, making progress. Trying to get all the easy reach ones until my buddy Cracker shows up to help me. Those ones up there, those are gonna be really fun. Okay, this is not supposed to be up here like this.
That's your garage heat, roof heat right there.
Yeah, I guess so. I'm like inside of an igloo right now. This is an angle from the roof of my garage floor heat that's now heating the garage roof. This is a disaster. Okay, we got all of the roof floor heating stuff off the roof. Now we're gonna put it back together for the second time.
It looks perfect. Just leave it.
I don't think that's gonna work. Holy shit, we're doing in floor heating again for the second time.